How to fix Facebook Messenger message requests not showing. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger and then click on it like this. Click on force stop and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled exactly like this. Go back and then click on data usage, disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and enable them back again. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, search for Messenger and update it. If the problem is not solved yet, then you may have to remove Messenger and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.